How to remove wallet from menu on Telegram tutorial. If you want to remove the wallet option from your Telegram menu, for example, if I open the Telegram app and then if I tap on the three lines option from the top left, you can see the option called wallet. Now normally this is not supposed to be here. This usually occurs because you have started a conversation with your Telegram wallet, which you can see right here. Now you can simply tap on it to access this particular option and open the wallet like this. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you still see your menu icon and the wallet icon, just tap on wallet there, which will take you to their wallet. Now we want to remove this from our menu, so in order to do that, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side. After you've done that, from the bottom of the pop-up menu, you'll find a trash icon that says remove from menu. So you can tap on remove from menu and you can just tap on OK. Now if you tap the three lines option, now you can see the menu option is no longer visible. That's all it takes for you to remove wallet from menu on Telegram. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.